Welcome to the ACX e-learning video on the ALX-G1 network admin, passcode management, and PDF generation. We pick up where we left off with the last e-learning video on system tools. Let's jump right in and see what kind of network admin is on board the G1. As we see here, a warning reminder pops open informing us that it is unnecessary to alter our network configuration. These tools are provided as a means to set up the network manually in the event your local area network does not exist. The reason is quite simple. The Spider does all of this for you. For more on the Spider and automatic network configuration, see the ALX-G1 user guide topics on ALX-G1 installation, administration access, and interface interaction. Now let's take a closer look at the Passcode Manager. This is the System Passcode Manager. It should be noted that the System Administration Passcode is unique and independent from the other passcodes on the ALX-G1. At the top we see the keypad for entering the passcode. Below we see explicit instructions on how to perform this task. It is highly recommended that the factory passcode be changed to an alternate value. Take care in recording the passcode to ensure you avoid inconvenient mishaps. In the event you misplace your altered passcode and are prevented from logging into the administration, contact ACX at info@acxlan.com to obtain an encrypted ACX passcode file. Be sure to include the ALX-G1's MAC address as well as the unit ID number in your email. Instructions on how to reset the passcode will accompany the encrypted ACX file. Now let's take a closer look at an ACX exclusive, an onboard PDF generator. This PDF generator is the only one of its kind in our industry. Through our years of experience producing commercial software, we have developed a software suite capable of generating PDF files on the fly. These PDF files are then automatically presented to our users across their local area networks or intranets. The PDF file format was chosen because it's a universally accessible format for any operating system. As we clearly see here, this is a two-part menu with two separate categories for generating PDF files. On the left we have the user guide topics. These are identical to the available PDF files at acxlan.com. To the right we have the log file listing. As with all ACX servers, your ALX-G1 records all system activity in the onboard log files. This is very useful for keeping an accurate record of all your installations as well as to determine what was accomplished at the particular project site. It should be noted here that the current log file is also available right from within your browser without the necessity of logging into the administration POI or generating a PDF file. Simply use the base IP address for the ALX-G1 followed by the port number 12321. This port number will output the current log file for all of the ACX servers. Let's take a look at the HTML log file. As we can see here, across the top of the page we see the unit ID followed by the MAC address for the ALX-G1 server. On the left we see the version number for the G1 software engine. The left column has the date and time the event took place. To the right we see a description for the event. Everything from obtaining an IP address from your router right down to a tuner preset alteration is recorded in the log file. This feature is helpful when setting up an ACX system where it will provide you with valuable information as to the events that took place. Now let's go back to the PDF generator and create a PDF for this installation. As we see in the log file box, we have a few choices. The 1 through 4 deep refers to log files that are from that many weeks in the past. So, the 1 deep refers to last week's log file, while the 4 deep refers to log file from 4 weeks ago. Every ACX server records activity for up to 5 weeks and automatically rotates or renews the log files. As we see here, we can also choose to generate a file with just the serial port assignments. This is especially useful for tracking POI positions for port assignments during installation and cross-referencing to ensure the right component is connected to the correct serial port. Let's go ahead and generate the serial port assignment PDF. As you can see here, the ALX-G1 will always let us know what it's doing by displaying its progress in the message box. Now let's open the PDF and see what it looks like. Just like the System Tools PDF generator, we have the G1's information in the title pages along with the serial port assignments, POI, and component it controls. Since it's a PDF file, we can save a copy for the project records. And that's about it for the PDF generation. Simple and straightforward. We hope this e-learning video is useful and informative. Remember, for more e-learning videos, be sure to visit acxland.com.